Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and this today's video I'll be showing you how you can create caption automatically in InShot. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have created a project in InShot, and today we're going to practice how we can create auto captions for this video. So the first thing you have to do is clicking on the text option right here, and since we want to create auto caption, we can click on caption, then just click on start to start creating the automatic caption, and then you can click on free unlock. Okay, and now the auto captions has been generated, and this is the auto caption, and let's just play the video to check the result. Okay, and if you are still not satisfied with the result, you can edit the caption. So just tap on the caption like this, and you can click on edit option, and then you can edit the text right here. You can also change the font. You can do styling for your caption. If you want to change the font, you can simply click on this A button, and then you can select the font that you want. And for example, I'm just going to select this font. Okay, and after you are done, you just need to click on this check mark. Okay, and you can also zoom in or zoom out. If you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can click on this button like this, and you can place this caption to the part of the video that you want. And for example, I'm just going to place this caption right here. Okay, and now let's just take a look at the final result. So we're going to play the video.
You're not going to join.
Okay, and this is the final result.
I'll give you one.
Alright guys, and that's how we can create automatic caption in InShot. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.